Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to crochet a beautiful dress and matching headband for our little princesses, step by step. So, let's see what the hook and yarn have in store for us today. I'm making this dress in a standard size for a 1-year-old girl. If you'd like to make the same dress in a different size, take the following measurements. Chest circumference. Length from under the arm to the waist. This will be the bodice length. Length from the waist to the hem. This will be the skirt length. Strap length. For the size I'm making, chain 52 centimeters and join with a slip stitch to form a circle. Work half double crochet stitches around until the bodice measures 14 centimeters in height. Cut the yellow yarn and join the olive green yarn. For the first skirt row, work 3 single crochets and 1 increase repeatedly around. This gives the skirt a gentle flare so the little one can run and play comfortably. For the next row, work a regular row of half double crochet stitches, 1 stitch in each stitch. I made the skirt 28 centimeters long using olive green followed by brown. Now, the main part of the dress is complete. Next, we'll make the straps. Mark the strap positions with stitch markers. For the straps, use a smaller hook, size 2 millimeters. Add the first marker, attach the yarn and work row of 3 single crochet stitches. Continue working back and forth until you reach 28 rows, which gives a strap length of approximately 11 centimeters. Sew the strap to the opposite side of the dress using a yarn needle. Make sure to weave in and secure all yarn ends carefully when you're finished, so they won't bother the child or come loose. You can adjust the length based on the child's head circumference. I'm making the centerpiece, main section of the headband 25 centimeters long. Chain 4, and the first chain from the hook, work 3 double crochets. Chain 3, and the same chain, work 4 double crochets. Chain 4 and turn. In the 3 chain space, work the same pattern. 4 double crochets, chain 3, 4 double crochets. In the last chain of the turning chain, work a triple crochet. Chain 4 and turn. Repeat the same pattern until the piece reaches 25 centimeters in length. Once the centerpiece is finished, make 2 ties so the headband can be secured in the child's hair. On both ends of the centerpiece, chain approximately 15 centimeters. Tie a knot at the end of each chain. And that's it. We've made the cutest dress and matching headband for the sweetest little girls. Any questions? Drop them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new tutorial. See you in the next video. Bye.